Give me some music, sir. Okay. Ayan. Mommy and Daddy, ask your kids naman to move right here para may audience naman si Kuya Arnold. Come on, come on. Okay, Mr. Assistant, can you please ask the kids? Nakita mo naman sila, lihayin mo pumunta rito to watch the magic show. Come on, come on. Don't be scared. Come on. Mga mami, sige po. Upo kayo dito sa harap para ma-enjoy nyo na yung magic show. Okay, and Mr. Ian, there are lots of kids outside. Pati nasa labas na rin, papasukin po. Magician. If you know David Copperfield, David Blaine, Grace Angel, we belong in one big group in the States. Second, I am the only Filipino member of a club called Fellowship of Christian Magician International, and also the founder and the president of that group here in the Philippines. Member din po ako ng The Magicians Foundations Incorporated. Kung kilala niyo yung mga kaibigan ko kasi sikat sila, like Anakim, Ruta Urquia, Wandu, right